One of my favourite things is opening a new tin of paint. And this is Riad Red from the limited edition Fresco range. I haven't tried this one before, so I'm just going to give it a good old stir and see what this is like. Beautiful rich colour. It's the sort of colour that you would see through old-fashioned gilding and gold leaf. I think it would make a very good base colour for that. But I've just sanded a stool that I found in a skip, and there was nothing wrong with it. It wasn't even wobbly. So I've given it a good sand, and I'm going to paint it using this lovely new Riad Red. So I will put some before and afters on it later on, but yeah, that's all mixed in rather nicely. So let's just scrape that off my stirrer and then start to paint the stool. See what the colour is like. Oh yes, oh yes, that's going to be gorgeous. So I shall give it 2 coats and it will be job done. Show you when it's finished. All finished. Beautiful colour. Yes, really, really, really love that colour. Riad Red from the Frenchic limited edition Fresco range. All finished. Beautiful colour. Yes, really, really, really love that colour. Riad Red from the Frenchic limited edition Fresco range.